Okay, section 6.5 deals with properties of logarithms, and what we're going to look at today is expanding and condensing logarithmic expressions. So example 2 deals all with expanding logarithmic expressions. Up top, they give you three properties that we're going to work with. The first one deals with the product property. So it says when we have a log base b and we are multiplying two terms, or m and n in this case, on the inside, we can split it into addition where both logs have the same base, and then it's log base b of m plus log base b of n. So what that would look like for a is we do have multiplication going on here. So I can go ahead and split this into log base 5 a squared plus log base 5 b to the 7. Okay, so we got that right there. From there, we can move on to one more property. It's the power property. Whenever you have an exponent going on, and that's what we're taking the log of, that exponent can be brought out front. So to finish up this expansion, it can turn into 2 log base 5 of a plus 7 log base 5 of b. And then from there, in each log, I don't have any multiplication, division, exponents, none of that going on. So this would be expanded to the fullest extent. So that's 2a. B, we have division going on. You look up top, that's the one property that we haven't dealt with yet, quotient property. When you have division going on, you can go ahead and split them into subtraction. So this turns into the ln of 25 minus the ln of 3. From there, there's no multiplication, division, any of that stuff going on, so we have expanded that to the fullest extent. You have a few tried examples here where they just ask you to expand each expression out. So we're trying to get as many logs written out as possible. Example 3, on the other hand, we're working backwards, so we want to condense now. So we're just working opposite. We're using the same three properties we had before, but we're working backwards. So what that would look like here, first off, I look at exponents. So we do have exponents going on. So the number out front is the exponent that goes back up top. We got log base 4, m to the 4, plus log base 4, n to the 3, and this minus log base 4 of p on the n. From there, we work left to right. So addition is going to turn into multiplication. So this turns into m to the 4 times n to the 3. And then finishing it up, since we have subtraction going on, we can turn that into division. So my final answer as one log is log base 4, m to the 4, n to the 3, over p. And then the final example we have here for condensing, you have two natural logs here, so you have ln's. Numbers out front are exponents. This turns into ln 2 to the 3 minus ln 5 squared. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out. So 2 to the 3 is going to give me 8. 5 squared is going to give me 25. And then from there, subtraction goes to division. So we got ln 8 over 25. And that is my condensed down logarithm all the way down to 1. So that's examples 2 and 3 for section 6.5.